Let's make a Krakhattan from Kraken Rum. To make this drink, we are going to start with the rum. I'm going to put in 1.5 parts, which I think is 1.5 ounces, of the Kraken black spiced rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. 1 part, or 1 ounce, or 30 milliliters of your sweet vermouth. Half a part, half an ounce, 15 milliliters of applejack. 1 dash of Angostura bitters. It counts. And 1 ounce of orange bitters. That counts too. Did I say ounce or dash? I meant dash if I said ounce. If I didn't say ounce, but I did say dash, just ignore the fact that I just said that. Add your ice. And give it a stir. Grab a coupe. I was originally going to put this in a lowball because that's where I drink most of my Manhattans, but the official glass for this is a coupe, so I'm going to put this one up in a coupe. Put it up in a coupe. So I'm going to strain it into my glass. Set all this aside and garnish 1 brandied cherry. I almost did that perfect. And there you have it, a Krakhattan, drink with good spirits.